every day Bangalore traffic police have to decide where a limited number of enforcement teams should be deployed. The challenge is simple. They cannot be everywhere at once. So how do you decide where those teams should be tomorrow? That's the exact question we set out to answer. Illegal parking affects some of the busiest areas of the city every day, but the deployment resources are limited. So every deployment decision matters. When we analyze around 300,000 traffic tickets issued by the Bangalore traffic police, we found something interesting. The problem isn't evenly spread. Rather, a very small number of locations account for a large share of violations. Markets, metro station, and commercial hubs repeatedly appear as hotspots. That means a smarter deployment would have a bigger impact than simply deploying more teams. We also discovered an important limitation in the data. These records show where officers issued tickets, not necessarily every place where illegal parking occurred. In fact, 93% of the tickets were issued before 1 p.m. while evenings receive very little enforcement attention. Instead of hiding those limitations, the system highlights it and helps supervisors identify those gaps. The next step was forecasting. Using historical violation patterns, locations, weekday trends, and time of the day, the model estimates future enforcement demand across the city. To validate it properly, we trained on historical records and tested on future periods that the model had never seen before. The result was correlation of 0.70, showing that the model captures meaningful patterns rather than simply memorizing past data. A supervisor selects a shift and the number of available teams. The planner then recommends where each team should be positioned. It also showed strong alternatives that narrowly missed selection, making every decision transparent and easy to audit. Once the plan is ready, it can be directly shared through WhatsApp or exported for roll call briefing. But the most important question is, does this actually improve enforcement? To answer that, we replayed deployment plans across 31 days that model had never seen before. Those teams would have been positioned at locations covering 38% of the violations that actually occurred. By comparison, distributing teams evenly would have covered only 1.3%. This result was measured on unseen data, giving us confidence that approach can generalize beyond the historical data. Plan 6 teams for Friday evening near KR Market. We also wanted the system to be usable without requiring officers to learn a complex dashboard. Instead, they can simply ask for a deployment plan using voice or text. The assistant supports English, Hindi, and Kannada and uses the same forecasting and optimization engine running underneath the system. Looking across the entire day revealed another useful insight. Most of the enforcement activities happen during the morning, while evening receive very little attention. The planner automatically identifies these gaps and recommends shifting a small number of low-impact morning deployments into those periods. As officers work on those locations and new violations are recorded, those patterns can also be incorporated into future planning, helping the system improve over time and making a closed feedback loop. We didn't build this to create just another dashboard. We built it to help officers make better deployment decisions using data they already collect every day. This is Park Pulse, and thank you for your time.